Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix character map not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. To begin, we will open the registry editor using regedit from the search box. Click Yes to open it. There, you must go to the path that you see on the screen. Now right-click somewhere free and in New choose the option String Value. You will assign the name, enable hex numpad. You will double-click on this value and in the field, Value Data, enter the number 1. Apply this change. For everything to be solved, restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When the system loads, open the character map to check that it works. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.